Welcome to this guided meditation. Find your comfortable spot, comfortable space, and allow the eyes to close. Taking an inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale, release it side out. Again, inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale, release it side out. Keeping the mouth closed, breathe in and out through your nose. Just your natural breath here. Nothing to do or control. Just allow the whole body to relax here. Knowing you're exactly where you need to be. Breathing in and out. Whole body starting to relax here. Just like a pebble in the pond. Smoothing out the water. Smoothing out the ripples. Just allowing your body to arrive. Bringing the mind back to the body. Checking in with yourself, seeing how you're feeling. Seeing how the body's feeling. Seeing how the mind's feeling. Just allowing your shoulders to fully relax. Sometimes we hold the weight on our shoulders. Allow them to fully relax. Allow the jaw to relax. All the facial muscles start to relax. Feeling like gravity's 10 times stronger. It's just melting all your stresses, all the tension in your body, in your face, and your shoulders. This gravity feels 10 times heavier. And all your tension is just soaking into the ground, dissolving into the ground. Allowing gravity to do its thing. Just allow the mind, allow the thoughts to be. Nothing to do or control with the thoughts. Just see them, watch them. Be the observer. Just allow them to come in and come out. Just like the breath in and out. Melting away all the tension in the breath, in the body, and in the mind. Allowing yourself to flow like water, riding the wave of relaxation. Breathing in and breathing out. Starting to say a mantra to yourself. On the inhale, saying I am. And on the exhale, calm. Inhale, I am. Exhale, calm. Saying this mantra to yourself, keeping it going, allowing the words to soak in. Inhale, I am. Exhale, calm. Absorbing the stillness, embracing the calmness. Just allowing the breath, the body, and the mind to go with the flow throughout your day today. I am calm. Start to wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes. Let's take some movements with the body here. Maybe shaking out the shoulder if you're sitting down, or if you're laying down, maybe reaching the arms overhead, toes tuck. And slowly make your way to an easy seat, legs crossed, spine straight, chin parallel to the mat. If you're already there, great. Bringing the hands to heart center, Anjali Mudra, hands to heart center, chin slightly bows. Taking a couple breaths here. I am calm. Thank you so much for meditating with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day. Namaste.